We're going to always keep in step with the Spirit. And the K in speak reminds us to know and fellowship with people who speak the truth in love. Ephesians 4:15 says, "Instead we will speak the truth in love, growing in every way more and more like Christ, who is the head of his body, the church." Who are you hanging out with? Whose opinion do you value? Do they speak life or death? Do they lift you up or do they pull you down? We all need people who can speak truth in love into our lives. The world is really big right now talking about truth speakers. Great. Bible tells us we're to speak the truth in love. We just don't speak the truth. So how do you speak the truth in love? Oh, that takes wisdom and it takes grace and it takes practice and it takes apology. The tip is if you want the very words of God, be a person who speaks the truth in love. Do you speak the truth in love? If someone has jumped into your brain right now that you need to go and apologize to, write it down so you don't forget and go apologize to them. It's amazing what happens when we humble ourselves to people. A lot of times it's family, sometimes it's coworkers, sometimes it's neighbors. But if we simply go to them and say, listen, I'm learning how to speak the truth in love. I didn't speak that truth in love